What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, obviously I'm going to be getting my hair done, but the first thing I'm going to do is unbox the wig. So first of all, the package has been here for like a week, and when it first came I was real thirsty to open it, but I didn't open it because I wanted to open it on camera, and after that I didn't really care for it. So it says Merry Christmas on it. That's cute or whatever, and it's from Beauty Forever. The box got messed up. It has like a Velcro. What it looks like. I got a body wave wig. So first things first, I'm gonna show y'all what came in the box, which y'all probably already know. They put some nails up in here. Y'all see that? It's like pink tips with butterflies. This is the first time they did this. Like the last time I got a wig, I didn't get no nails. But I guess it's like different vendors, so. Okay, and I got this little bag here. Let me open it. So it gave me like a little bonnet. I'm not gonna open it. Ain't gonna lie, it looked a little cheap, but I love Beauty Forever, but I don't need the bonnet. Whatever. But they gave me a lace band. This one is actually pretty cute. Let me take it out. Yeah, this lace band is pink and it has cheetah on it. They gave me this. I don't know if this is mascara or like lipstick. Let's see. It's a brush. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. This is cute. I could use this. How do you get it back in there? Look. That's so cute. I love that. I ain't gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. I'm keeping it. And they also gave me some lashes, but these lashes are pretty dramatic. I don't wear lashes this big, so I might give these to somebody. But yes, overall, they snapped the package. Some nails, a cute little lace band, and this. Stop playing with me. Now for the wig. So as you can see, this is a HD, it's a glueless wig. Let me take this paper out. Y'all tell me, is this a good wig? This is only my second wig. Look at y'all, get into the lace. Please get into the lace. Like, I love it. And it got the little band back here. Okay. So basically, after they cut it off and they do my edges, it could be glueless. Like, it don't even need to be glued down. And it kind of already got some edges on it. But yeah, this is 18 inches. I'm getting a bob. So, oops, almost dropped it. I can't put this on my hair, but it's so soft. Okay, period. Yeah, I'm getting a bob. I might insert a picture of what I want to get on the screen. But yeah, I'm getting a bob. So, and this is a frontal. I'm probably going to do a middle part. But yeah, this is the hair. Like I said, it's really soft. Yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully it comes out right. Yeah. Alrighty guys, next time y'all see me, it'll be time for me to get this wig installed. Today is the 15th or 16th. My appointment is on the 22nd, and I have to drop my wig off on the 20th. So, yeah, I can't wait. Alright, see you on the next clip. Bye!
Turn off the lights. For now, everything just seems alright. And how you make the darkness seem so bright. I'm feeling like things gon' be alright. Lights, please. Lights, please. Lights, please. Lights, please. Turn off the lights. Lights, please.
First things first, rest in peace, sucker fail. For real, you the only father that I ever knew. I get my pregnant, I'ma be a better you. Prophecies that I made way back in the veil. Fulfill, listen, even back when we was broke, my team ill. Martin Luther King would've been on Trainville, talk to him. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Lazy and can't tell the difference. One time for who knows. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. 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 No role models and I'm here right now. No role models to speak up. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one. Last night I was getting my feet rubbed by the baddest. Not Trina, but I swear to God, you make you call your girl up and tell her, hey, what's good? Sorry, I'm never coming home, I'ma stay for good. Then hang the phone up and proceed to lay the wood. I came fast like 911 in white neighborhoods. Ain't got no shame about it. She think I'm spoiled and I'm rich cause I can have anything. Got defensive and said, nah, I was the same without it. But then I thought back to a better me. Before I was a B-list celebrity. Before I started calling pictures so heavily. Back when you could get a platinum flat without no melody. You wasn't sweating me. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Lazy and can't tell the difference. One time for who knows. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved.
Alright, y'all. So this is my hair blown out. It is currently 9:33. My appointment is at 12, but I'm gonna try to get there at like 11:30 so she can start as soon as she's ready because I do have to work later. So I want to try to get back, and plus I have to drive an hour to my hair appointment. But I went ahead and did my makeup because I don't know. But anyways, yeah, this is my hair blown out. It's probably not fully like as dry as I can get it, but as long as I can do this, then we good. Because when she braid my hair, I don't need her to have to comb it out or do none of that. So yeah, this is my hair. Next time you see me, the next time you see me, I will be getting my hair probably braided down or something. I'm not gonna vlog like the car drive or anything like that, but yeah, guys. And also, I didn't even have to drop the wig off. She told me I didn't have to drop it off because, you know, I had to dry so far. So that was nice of her. But yeah, so basically, she really like a good hairstylist, and her installs is like $200. For a bob cut, it's $20, and then if I wanted her to style my wig, it was gonna be like $40 to $45, I think. So, baby, I bought my own curling iron because I'm a broke college student. I don't have, how much is that? $260 something to pay on hair, and then you already gotta buy the wig. So yeah, so but I'm hoping that she'll do this braid for me that I want, like without charging me, and maybe she might curl it, I don't know, we'll see. But if not, then I'm gonna try to make it home in time to curl my hair before work. So yeah, like I said, y'all see me, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be in that chair, so like at about an hour and a half or something. So yeah, all right.
live up like a rapper's dead and bird. A verse from me is like 11 birds. It did the minutes like $2,000 every word. I'm on birds, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve and told a nigga that they gotta wait for me. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm churning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram. I'm the man. I can make a brick walk, up north, down south, make it a rich walk. Hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord. SD, I run my ward, fuck a fan and his daughter. I'm a running compound, I supply the sugar and bread. I got a main and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in the left so she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like brown eyes. I'm at that London with some big thighs. No fries, she eat steaks with the fish size. Then your mama tell you when something on fire, stop right wrong. I've been on the road like a pair of spinners and stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge you like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, he ain't seeming. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start and we leave them on the cement. Clap, clap.
Bobbiana, who do you know? So cute.